Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the changes and improvements in the Canary channel of Windows 11 Insider Preview, build 27718.1000. So, without further ado, let's begin. Microsoft has released an update to the clock app for Windows 11, which includes two new widgets, which are Countdown and Timer. To add new widgets, open the widget panel and click the plus button in the upper right corner. At the moment, only participants of the Windows Insider program can access these widgets. The company has released an update to the Microsoft Store app for Windows Insiders in the Dev and Canary channels. It brings app categories with it, and the apps page of the Microsoft Store now has a new categories block, located directly below the main section. Selecting any of the categories will redirect you to a page with a set of apps that match that category. Media controls now appear at the bottom of the lock screen when playing any media. You can now drag apps from the Pinned section of Start, and pin them to the taskbar. The taskbar now supports navigation by the first letter of an application. If the keyboard focuses on the taskbar, by pressing Windows plus T, you can press any letter to quickly jump to a pinned application, whose name begins with that letter. Pressing the same letter again will switch between applications that begin with that letter, if there are several. When you press the Home and End keys, the keyboard focus will move to the first and last elements of the taskbar. You can now turn off notification suggestions from individual apps. You can tap the three-dot button inside a notification to turn it off like any other notification. Go to the list of notification senders in the Settings app, then System. Click on Notifications and turn off notification suggestions in the list. This option will only appear in the list of senders, once you've received at least one such suggestion. A minor change has been made to the Windows Share dialog UI, which now removes the search box. There is an improvement in the narrator scan mode. This is especially useful when using Microsoft Edge to read large documents. To use scan mode, you must first turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter, then turn on scan mode by pressing caps lock plus spacebar during a narrator session. If your device battery level drops to 20%, and you have power saving mode constantly enabled, the system will display a notification, prompting you to connect your device to a power source. Minor improvements have been made to the design of the dialog box that appears when the user's attention is needed before Windows updates can begin. For example, a dialog box appears when there is not enough disk space or a compatibility issue has been detected. In addition, the size and spacing of icons have also been updated. In the Settings app, under Bluetooth and Devices, on the Touch Input page, you will find new options for controlling gestures at the edges of the screen. If necessary, you can disable them for the left and right edges of the screen. Enhanced Protection for Administrative Accounts is a new platform security feature in Windows 11 that prevents users from having full administrative rights at all times, and only enables them when they are performing administrative tasks. This mechanism is disabled by default and must be enabled through Group Policy Settings. There are some fixes in this update, like fixed an issue resulting in some insiders getting stuck on the startup screen, and then rolling back to the previous build with an error, 0xC1900101, when attempting to update to a previous build. Fixed an issue that in the last two Canary builds resulted in Explorer.exe to crash when moving windows. Fixed an issue resulting in insiders experiencing a bug check with the error, System Service Exception, in the last two Canary builds. Fixed an issue where the emoji panel would close when trying to switch to the symbols or emoji sections after selecting an emoji. Fixed an issue where the widget's icon would sometimes appear twice on the taskbar. Fixed an issue that caused some applications, such as Media Player, to crash when playing audio. An issue where some insiders were seeing the OS selection menu incorrectly. There are some known issues in this update, like if you are upgrading to the Canary channel from the dev, release preview, or stable channels on a Copilot Plus device, you will encounter an issue using your PIN or biometrics. When attempting to sign in, you will see the error, "Something went wrong, your PIN is not available," with the code 0xD0000225. To reset your PIN, click the Setup PIN button. Insiders cannot play purchased content in the Movies and TV app. This issue will be fixed in a future build. The emoji panel and clipboard history won't open in certain places in the operating system, such as Registry Editor. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.